Hi everybody, this is Mr. Ruger, just coming to you from my house. Can you say hi, Darius?
Hi, Darius.
Can you say thank you for coming, everyone?
Thank you for coming, everyone.
How are you today, Darius?
Hi, I'm good.
You're good? You ready to do some math?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like math?
Yeah, I put my paper in there.
Okay.
For the paper.
Darius and I are here to talk to you about the application problem. Now, this is going to be really kind of vague, but hopefully the pictures will help. We drew the pictures, and when we drew the picture, this is roughly the picture. Yeah, we drew a picture, and when we drew the picture, this was the rough figure that we got. If we were to take it and then spin it, continually rotating it, we're going to come up with a figure. It's going to look somewhat like this.
Dad.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
And this figure is what we're going to be talking about. This is your three-dimensional figure. You have to know what that is.
Dad.
Yeah? What's this one called? Do you remember what Daddy called this?
Todd. Acorn.
It's an acorn. Is it a cylinder?
A cylinder.
Yeah. It has radii and it has a height. You're going to have to know this height as well as you're going to have to know the top and the bottom circles. Now what you're going to do is, what are the tops and bottoms? They are circles. They have a radius and they have a diameter. That's going to become important because the diameter is roughly how big the piece is that you're going to be cutting that out of. So the other question is, yeah, what are the lateral surfaces? The lateral surfaces are if I took this middle piece and I unfolded it. If I were to unfold this, what kind of picture would I make? Yeah. Can you say, it makes a rectangle?
It makes a rectangle.
That's very good. Yeah, because you have to unfold it, it makes a rectangle. So you have two sheets of steel. One is 2 by 3, the other is 2 by 2. The 2 by 2 is used to make the tops and bottoms, and the 2 by 3 is made for the lateral surfaces. What you're going to tell me is how many I can fit on these. Now you need to remember that it takes two tops, or it takes a top and a bottom, or two of these and one of these to make one. So I'm asking you, how many can you actually make? Very similar to when you're cutting cookies out of when you're making cookies and you're cutting them out of your flour. As I said, this is an application problem. We've had almost 2 weeks to work on this. I hope that this was somewhat helpful. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you guys always ask.
Who are you, Daddy?
Yeah. Can you say, thanks for coming?
It's coming.
You say, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Want to blow them a kiss?
Bye.